To help you get your dishwasher started, we've compiled helpful tips to ensure it is running efficiently and effectively. If you've recently installed your dishwasher, start by checking that the water supply and circuit breaker are turned to on. Your kitchen may be equipped with an on-off switch for the dishwasher. Ensure that it is turned on. Make sure you're starting your dishwasher correctly. Begin by selecting your cycle and options. Press start and close the door quickly. At this point, you may hear a tone indicating that the cycle has begun. If your dishwasher is still not starting, it may be that the cycle is set incorrectly. Try resetting it. See if delay start or child lock has been activated. Have you checked to ensure the door is completely closed? Did you make sure to shut the dishwasher door quickly enough after pressing start? If you open the door during a cycle, you must press start again prior to closing the door to resume the cycle. Now you know how to troubleshoot your dishwasher. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.